Hello, kids. I hope you all are doing great. Children, I also believe you're taking all the necessary precautions to keep yourself safe. Okay? Be home, be safe. Children, I am here with our favorite subject, social science. And today we are going to learn the new lesson that is the Western Desert. Children, before starting the lesson, let us quickly recap the first lessons, the five physical divisions of our country. Yeah, the five major physical divisions of our country. Children, can you please look into the screen once? Yeah, in the extreme north, children, this is our Indian map. Yes, which shows you the five major landforms or the five physical divisions of our country, India. So, in the extreme north, it is covered with what, children? Can you guess? Yes, here are our mountains. Yes, yes. So, it starts right from here in the extreme north with Jammu and Kashmir. We have, and it extends till all the northeastern states. Okay, and then just below that, we have the most fertile land of our country. Yes, you have learned it in your last lesson. What is that? Northern Plains. Exactly. Situated in North. Yes. So they got the name Northern Plains and it is the most fertile. Can you see? It is represented with green color and you have lot of trees there, which tells us that this is the most fertile area and we have most of our cultivating lands in the plains. Next, just to the west of the country, yes, to the west of the country, we have our Western Desert. Yes, the chapter which we are going to discuss today. We have here the Western Desert, okay, to the west. And then to the south of the northern plains, to the south of the northern plains, we have our plateaus. Yeah, one of the major landform, the southern plateau or the Deccan plateau, right? And then, what is the other one? The last one, children? Yes, you're right. We have our islands. Yes, we have our islands. Can you see? It is rounded off here. Yeah, we have our islands here. Okay. Then, so these are the five major landforms or the five physical divisions of our country. What are they, children? Mountains, the northern mountains. Yes, and we have our plains, the northern plains. Then the western desert. Then we have our southern plateau. And then we have our islands. Yes, both in the Arabian Sea as well as in the Bay of Bengal, towards the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Right, great. Now, I also want you to guess what is the desert state of our country. Yes, we said it is in the west. Yes, it is in the west. So, with the picture here, it is very clear for you what is the desert state of our country. Quickly, come on, read it out. What is here? Rajasthan. Right. So, in this chapter, the Western Desert, we are going to learn about the various features of our Western Desert, its location, and many things. And it is located in which state? Which Indian state? Mostly Rajasthan. Okay. Great. Now, quickly, let us see what are the things that you are going to learn here in this chapter. Okay. Yeah. What are you learning here? You're learning about the location of the Western Desert. You're learning about the land in Western Desert, the climatic conditions in Western Desert, about the natural vegetation in Western Desert, the water supply in Western Desert, people occupation in Western Desert, the houses, how they are built in Western Desert, the lifestyle of the people living in the Western Desert, as well as the major cities in the state Rajasthan. Okay, great. Then let us now firstly know about the location. Okay, yeah, yes. Children, this is our Indian map. Okay, this is our Indian map. I hope it is very clear for you. Yeah. So the land to the west of the Aravalli Hills. Yes, the land to the west of the Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills are the part of the state Rajasthan. Okay. So, and here, how is the land? It is rocky and sandy. It is rocky and sandy. So, the names we have given, okay, it is why? Because it is sandy and rocky. Yes, most of the desert areas are also in which part? It is in the western side of the country. Yes, and which state is there? Rajasthan. Okay. So the land to the west of the Aravalli Hills in the Rajasthan is rocky and sandy. Okay. Now, this is the great Indian desert, also known as Thar Desert. Children, quickly please underline in your textbooks what are the other names for the Western Desert? Great Indian Desert and Thar Desert. Please underline. Yeah, good. Now, let us see where it stretches from which place to which place. Okay. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Haryana. Please look here. So we have here Gujarat. Okay. So the desert, the starting point, it starts from which place? Rann of Kutch. Okay. Rann of Kutch is a place in Gujarat. Okay. See, you can see here, it is starting in the borders of Gujarat. Yes. And it is passing through which state? Rajasthan. It is passing through Rajasthan completely and reaching till where here? Which states are present here? Haryana. Okay. And Punjab. Both are neighboring states, children. I think we know that they share the common capital too. Punjab and Haryana share a common capital too. So they both are neighboring states. Lie very close to each other. Okay. So our desert, our western desert stretches from Rann of Kutch. Okay, Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. Yes, you can see here from Gujarat and all the way. Yes, it passes through all the way in Rajasthan. Okay, in the west of Rajasthan through the Aravalli Hills and then till where? To the borders of Haryana. Okay, this is about the location of our western desert. I hope I am clear, children. Okay, let us learn the remaining in our next part. Take care.